Hello Udoers, welcome back to our Odoo technical session. Myself Dipanshu from Devintelle Consulting Service Private Limited. So in this video, we are going to watch how to use API.constraints in Odoo. So don't waste the time and let's start now. So first of all, I will tell you what is the API.constraints in Odoo. So API.constraints is a decorator used in Odoo models to define the validation logic that runs automatically when specific fields are modified. So it ensures the data is valid before the record is saved to the database. So if any condition fails, it raises the validation error. So let's see by the example. So here you can see this is the mole menu of mole.mole object, and now I create the new record and suppose give name alpha1 mole, and here I add 15 number into the rate field, but here you can see we have to write rate out of 10 and here I add 15. So now I save the record and record is saved. So now we have to add constraints method for the rate field. So here we go into the py file of the mole.mole object and here I add constraints method. So first we have to import API and underscore from Odoo and import validation error from Odoo.exceptions, and then I add API.constraint method, and here I set if mole as a rate value and rate is less than 1 or rate has greater than 10, then it raises the validation error like rate must be between 1 and 10. So I restart the server and upgrade module and refresh this page. So now again I create the new record and save. Here I write Himalaya mole and into the rate field I write 15 and try to save this record. So it raises the validation error like rate must be between 1 and 10. So I add 8 and again try to save the record. So record is saved.
If you have any doubts, questions, so let's write into the comment section. We will try to solve your doubts. Thank you for the watching our video. Let's meet into the next session.